Yo, what is good everybody on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel here at The Dad Life. I hope everyone is having a blessed and healthy day today. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to cop the new upcoming Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in the linen colorway. If you guys want to stick around at the end of the video, I'll be unboxing a couple of sneakers that I've been copying in the last couple of weeks. So make sure you guys sit back and relax, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Alright guys, before we continue on with this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. We are on the road to 3,000 subscribers. We are like 20 subscribers away till we reach 3K. Once I reach 3K, I will do another giveaway for you guys, so please consider. I really appreciate it. When it comes to the Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2 linen, there is only one way you could cop them, which is online, guys. There is a lot going on around the world, and you guys already know a lot of the stores are shut down, but the two main websites that I normally cop these Yeezys are the Adidas app and Yeezy Supply. I'm pretty sure there's other boutique and sneaker stores that are getting them or releasing them online, and I'll leave a link down below of sneakernews.com to make sure you guys know the listing of those stores. First thing is first, the Adidas app. I just got the notification yesterday from the Adidas app that you are available to enter the raffle for the linens. So make sure you guys do not sleep, guys, because the last time I ended up sleeping, the Adidas app ended up running their raffle on a Friday, which originally they were supposed to do on a Saturday, which were on the Cinders. So make sure you guys do it right away. If you guys don't know how to do it, all you guys have to do is download the Adidas app and register. It's for free. All you have to do is enter your size, your address, your debit, credit card, PayPal. Once the release comes, or the day comes, which is going to be April 18th, they automatically just run the raffle, and if you get chosen, they automatically take the money out of your account and then just ship it directly to you, which will take about 2 to 3 business days. So if you guys want to enter that raffle, make sure you guys enter it now and download the app. I've done it already personally, so I'm excited for this. I'm really hoping that I get these ones because I really enjoy this colorway. That yellow and blue just really goes really well together. If you guys don't know how the sneaker looks like, I'll have images throughout this video how the sneaker pretty much looks like. It has like hints of blue on the sock liner, and as well as the striped blue that goes across the sneaker, and as well as overall the shoe has that little bright pastel yellow. It gives you guys that spring vibe, Easter vibe. When it comes to releases as well, Yeezy Supply is the second option. So Yeezy Supply has been, I don't know, it's been a hit and miss with a lot of people. You guys already know, like, I think a lot of these releases when it comes to online, it's going to be a lot more harder because we're seeing more traffic now versus you normally see, just because all the stores are completely closed. So the only way that you could cop a lot of the sneakers nowadays is online. Yeezy Supply has been completely random. I think it was the Yeezy Zebras when they restocked. It was on a random time. Normally on Yeezy Supply, it's 7 a.m. Pacific, which is 10 a.m. Eastern. Lately, a lot of people has been doing a lot of live stream cops on their YouTube, so that could honestly help because, like, since everyone is at home doing nothing, obviously you're gonna see a lot of people on stream. Honestly, it just takes patience when it comes to Yeezy Supply. Be very patient. I mean, I've seen a lot of people on there for like hours and hours and finally got the opportunity to cop. This sneaker will be available this Saturday on April 18th for $220. I almost forgot that I had to show you guys these sneakers that I've been copying the last couple of days or couple of weeks. I totally almost forgot. But the first thing that I cop, shout out to Soul Seattle for this. If you guys don't know who Soul Seattle is, I actually copped them through Instagram, 100% legit. I actually did a mystery box through them, so if you guys want to check that out, make sure you guys check out on my channel. So these ones are the UNC's to Chicago's, I believe. These were like a woman's size type deal, so I'm a size 8, so this is a 9.5 in women's, which goes to a size 8 in men's. Super clean colorway. The resale value right now is really low, which is, I'm really surprised because honestly the the leather quality is actually way better than the pine greens, those ones that recently released, but those don't really have resale value. But in my opinion, I think these will go up in value in the near future, just because all Jordan 1s always have somewhat of a good resale value. So that is my first pickup that I've been copying. This one was my favorite out of these two, just because this was a very underrated, I would say, sneaker that a lot of people never really talked about, which is the Nike Dunk Low. These are not SBs, these are the Nike Dunk lows. I really like this colorway. I do have the Syracuse colorway as well. This is the blue and white colorway. I honestly like the blue and white colorway more than the orange ones, just because blue just looks super clean with white for some reason. I wasn't able to do an on feet or an unboxing on this, so I apologize on that, but you guys are now seeing these. These are super dope. This is the end of the video. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys like this video and consider subscribing to my channel. Let me know in the comment section below, and let me know what you guys been copying in the last couple weeks. I know we can't really cop anything in stores, but there is a lot of releases going on still online, so make sure you guys let me know in the comment section, all that stuff. But I'm gonna head out of here. If you guys have any other questions, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. Feel free to DM me. I try to reply to a lot of you guys, so make sure you guys hit me up on Instagram. But like I said, this is the Dad Life signing in, signing out. Peace.